Hi, I'm Jason from MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in the fuel pressure gauge of our MaxTow Match gauge series for the 2014 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra with a teal display. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel pressure gauge with an analog and digital factory match display and a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 5-foot power harness, a pressure sensor, a mounting bracket with hardware, gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, or if you have any questions, all of our products come with lifetime technical support, so feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.